How to use Snapchat for business?
Okay, Snapchat is like the raw and real marketing platform. It's really completely changed the face of how businesses project themselves also. And many of the bigger businesses who have been listed right now in Snapchat, they are using it as a platform on showing things like behind the scenes, creating contests for their audiences to go and do weird and funny stuff, keeping it raw. So that's how Snapchat is evolving right now. It's still in the nascent stage right now. So a lot of businesses still don't get how they can use Snapchat. But just so that I think the recent stat I was looking at is over 5 billion video views are being served on Snapchat on a day-to-day basis. This is like worldwide. And more than 77% of Snapchat users, active users, are the younger age group. We're talking about teenagers up to the age of 23. So the kind of content that has to be there also has to be really fun, interesting, entertaining for it to work. So every business needs to think about an alternative strategy, which is raw and behind the scenes. So those kind of things work.
So if you